Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Vibes. This is episode 3. Today, we will learn how to order food at a restaurant in English. I'm Tom, your teacher, and with me is my fantastic student, Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. Hi, everyone. I love food.
Me too, Anna. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel, English Vibes, and don't forget to share this lesson with your friends. If you have questions or topics you want us to explain, write them in the comments. We will talk about them in future episodes. Anna, are you ready to order some food today?
Yes, I'm hungry already. Let's go.
Great. Today's topic is ordering food at a restaurant. This is very useful when you travel or go out with friends. We will learn greetings, menu, ordering, and paying. Anna, let's start with the basics. Imagine we are in a restaurant. I am the waiter. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. What would you like?
Hello, I would like a menu, please.
Good. Let's repeat together. Everyone at home, say with us. I would like a menu. Ready?
I would like a menu, please.
Perfect. Now, Anna, as the waiter. Here is the menu. What would you like to drink?
I would like water, please.
Nice. Listen. I would like water, please. Say it again, Anna.
I would like water.
Almost. Water. Water. Say it with me, Anna, and everyone.
I would like water, please. I would like water, please.
Yes, so good. Okay, everyone, pause and say, I would like, and your drink. For example, I would like coffee. Go.
I would like juice.
Juice, healthy choice. Let's say, I would like juice. Slowly.
I would like juice.
Perfect. Anna, now for food. What would you like to eat?
I would like a pizza.
Pizza, yummy. Let's repeat. I would like a pizza. Everyone, say it.
I would like a pizza.
Great. Everyone, what food do you like? Say it out loud. Anna, do you want vegetables on the pizza?
Yes, with tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Let's say with tomatoes.
With tomatoes.
Awesome. Let's play a mini game. Everyone, order a drink and food. Anna, you first.
I would like water and a pizza with tomatoes.
Perfect. Everyone at home, pause and say your order. Go. Okay, Anna, now the waiter asks. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Good. Say, no thank you.
No, thank you.
Great. Everyone, practice saying thank you 3 times. Okay, Anna, let's add more. The waiter says, your food is ready. Here it is.
Thank you. It looks good.
Nice. Let's repeat. Thank you. It looks good. Everyone say it.
Thank you. It looks good.
Perfect. Anna, now questions. How much is it?
How much is it?
As waiter, it is $10.
Okay, I will pay now.
Great. Say, I will pay now.
I will pay now.
Awesome. Everyone say, how much is it? And pretend to pay. Anna, do you like to pay with card or cash?
With card.
Card is easy. Let's say, I pay with card.
I pay with card.
Perfect. Everyone, what do you pay with? Say it out loud. Okay, Anna, let's do a full role play. I am the waiter, you are the customer. Start.
Hello. Table for 1, please.
Yes, here is your table. What would you like?
I would like a menu, please.
Here it is. Drink?
I would like orange juice.
Food?
I would like chicken salad.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, it is $15.
Here is my card. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. Wow, Anna, that was great. Everyone, pause and do the role play with a friend or alone. It's fun.
Yes, it's like real.
Let's try one more order. Anna, order dessert.
I would like ice cream.
Ice cream, sweet. Repeat. I would like ice cream.
I would like ice cream.
Perfect. Everyone, say your dessert. Okay, tips for restaurants. Always say please and thank you. Anna, what's your tip?
Smile.
Smile, yes. Let's say smile and say please.
Smile and say please.
Great. Everyone, remember, practice ordering at home. Now, let's put it all together. I'll order first. Hello, I would like a menu. Water and pasta, please. How much? Thank you. Your turn, Anna.
Hello, I would like juice and pizza. No dessert. Here is cash. Bye.
Amazing, Anna. Everyone, pause and say your full order. Anna, was it easy?
Yes, fun and easy.
Let's do a fast game. Say drink, food, pay. Go, Anna.
Juice, pizza, card.
Perfect. Everyone try fast. Okay, final practice. Say, I would like.
I would like a menu.
How much is it?
How much is it?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're a star, Anna. Everyone, you're stars too. Practice ordering food. It helps you eat out in English.
Yes, practice. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome. Thank you, everyone. Subscribe to English Vibes, share, and write in the comments. What's your favorite restaurant food? What's your best order? We'll read it. See you in future episodes. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Eat well.